Alright, well we're back with another video. We have a coffee maker here today. This is the second coffee maker that we've added to the channel.
And right here we got 32 ounces of odorless lighter fluid from Expert Grill, not sponsored by the way.
Yeah, Walmart quality. So basically, we jumped out that thermal fuse in here and the thermostat, and we are going to put this, at least half of bottle in here of lighter fluid.
And we're just gonna let it run and see what happens.
Yeah.
Coffee makers get hot, so I think this will be interesting.
What's funny is that they didn't even do an age restriction on there, like at Walmart. They just
They just sell you lighter fluid, like, no one gives a fuck.
Oh yeah. How much do you think we should put? I know this stuff's probably pretty strong.
Just a little bit more. There we go. I think that should be good. We'll try a little. We'll try this much first, and then.
Just where it marks on there, and it's barely marking.
We might have to pour the whole bottle.
I don't know about that. I mean, I think we're pushing it with what we have, Justin. I think we're.
I think it should be good, right?
I think so. We also have the safety bucket, so we're well prepared with.
With the safety fire hydrant.
Yeah.
So is there like a set time on here, or you just press brew?
You just turn it on, yeah, and it should just start brewing.
All right. Ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1.
So now that there's no thermostat in there, that thing is gonna just get super hot. It's not gonna know when to shut off, so it is gonna burn up. So let's brew some lighter fluid. There's a decent amount in there, so.
Oh. Where?
I hear it already, man. It's trying to brew. I don't want that thing to come blowing up out of it.
Yeah, it's glass, so.
It's brewing. Oh, it's brewing. Look at that. Wait, it's not really gonna. I don't think it's really gonna blow up now. Because it's again, there's no way of starting the fire. It's when the temperature, the thermostat in there, like the heating element, gets too hot, starts smoking, burning the plastic. That starts the fire. Then the whole thing's gonna probably go up. But it's brewing, man.
Well, nevertheless, I'm not going to be close enough.
We should probably move our phones back a little bit. Just because if we need to. There you go. It's brewing.
You think it'll even get hot enough to light it?
Oh yeah, that thing is gonna burn up hot, man. Like I said, there's no thermostat to regulate it now, so it's just gonna.
Just get hot as fuck.
Yeah. You definitely wouldn't want this in your house without a thermostat, because that thing would overheat.
Smoking, look.
Oh God, that is not a good sign already. So like I said, and remember that's all lighter fluid in there, dude. So that's gonna go up in flames. I should probably move this too, just so it's easily accessible for when things go down. Because I already know it's going to.
Well, how about the step over here?
Yeah, we probably should leave.
Hey, that's coming out now. Look at it.
Oh God, I see smoke up there. I see brick. Oh God. Oh God, that is not good. Yeah, I want to keep the safety bucket on me at all times, and I'm going to get out of here.
Look at these.
Because I want to be able to tackle the water on behind it. It's brewing, man.
You can kind of smell it.
I smell the lighter fluid. Here, I'm forgetting the mask. Oh God, it's right next to it.
Good job, Buster.
Oh well. Yeah, it's burning at the bottom. I'll get a good view from here. Yep.
Justin Scare.
Fucking D.
Oh. Are they not strong?
Yeah. See, it's getting hot at the bottom, where the heat plate is. So it's constantly on. It's starting to melt.
And when the lighter fluid gets in contact with the plate.
No, it's more so when the thing catches fire and then it starts.
You think it'll catch fire?
Probably. That lighter fluid's boiling.
I don't see it smoking anymore.
Did it turn off? No, it's boiling.
Is the light still on?
Yeah.
Huh.
Just seems like old dark now.
Just casually touches it. gonna pour it back in? Oh.
Maybe the fact that it's ventilated underneath.
Oh. Oh, so there it goes. Oh, shit.
Oh god, watch when it reaches the canister, man. Yeah.
Oh god. Oh. It was in there. Boom, Roger. Let's make it out. You can hear it. It's like boiling in there. Oh shit.
Oh god.
Better not, Ruben. Better not. Oh fuck.
Just in case.
Oh, it's melting on the. Holy shit. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yeah, it's gonna start going now.
Oh my god.
I mean, we might as well. Where's that room? Oh, this one.
Oh shit.
Let it go. That cord is gonna be annihilated. That extension cord.
Oh my god, bro. Look at that shit.
Just let it go naturally. Awesome. Go and plug that extension cord. It's the one in the far back on the left. We did. That was awesome, dude.
Oh.
You got the one on the far back by the
on the wall.
Yeah. And my black plug. Yeah, that's good there. That's cool with the sparking though.
Oh, that fucking can on the bottom.
It should be okay.
This should be okay.
It's dying down. Wow, that was awesome, dude.
That was.
I knew that core was done for. Well, might as well let it take care of itself, guys.
Nice and warm.
Who needs to build a fire when you can easily get the job done with that?
Do you see all that sparking from the wire?
Yeah, man, that thing was going crazy.
Oh, there's that black smoke.
That coffee pot is done for. There's literally going to be nothing left of it.
Hey, I think that's good. Oh, fuck.
Should be good. I know they say water just makes it worse, but it kind of does. Little by little, you gotta do it.
I think you gotta wait till the lighter fluid burns out.
It's almost there.
What about the bottom?
Little by little.
Hopefully that glass doesn't explode on you.
Oh, it's already cracked.
I was worried about that fucking can.
Yeah, I don't know.
Damn.
This is probably even this car's hot.
Couldn't imagine.
There we go.
Awesome.
One of the biggest flames we've had, man.
Time to film the aftermath. Holy shit, look at that shit. All the way down to the wall. The fucking plastic melted onto the wall.
The plastic will come off. Yeah, and there it is. Here's the aftermath.
Damn. Gooey plastic container.
Well, you want to get the pipe there if it's not too hot and smash the carafe.
That was easy.
Oh wow, look at that. Nothing left. Alright guys, well, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and share.
And as always,
Definitely a
we'll see
crazy
you in the next
video.
one.
And we'll see you guys in the next one.
Laters.